I don't know if you feel any kind of way when you don't have tomato stew in your house. For me, I must make stew no matter how small it is every weekend. And in today's video, I will show you how I made this low budget stew with fish. Start off by washing and adding the fish into the pot. Introduce pepper, salt, seasoning, garlic and ginger. Cover and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Then I'll remove it, sieve the water and then set it aside. Now in a frying pan, I introduce vegetable oil. When it became hot, I will introduce the fish and I will fry on the both side until they are brown. You can also decide to cook the fish without frying it. It depends on your preference. Anyone works. And here it has fried on the other side. I'm now flipping through for it to fry on the both side. I will then remove and set it aside. I will also repeat the process until I exhaust the fish. I want to welcome you especially to the channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. This is 426 Kitchen. It is a place where we, put heads together, to learn how to make Nigerian dishes. If what we do here interests you, right, you can subscribe to the channel and become our family member. And if you're my returning subscriber, you know that I appreciate you. Your time, your share, your like, your comments has brought us this far, and I really appreciate them. Thank you for everything you do. This is after frying the fish. I will introduce the oil into a pot and then add more vegetable oil to it. Then I'll introduce onions. Stir together until it's fragrant. I will then introduce curry powder and bay leaf. I will allow it fry a little bit before I introduce the tomato blend. This tomato consists of fresh tomato, shombo, tatashi, pepper, onions, garlic, ginger. Everything was blended together. After introducing it, I covered and allowed it to fry for up to 20 minutes so the water will dry before I introduce seasonings. In there, I have curry, thyme, rosemary, and then fish seasoning. Everything went in, and then I will allow it to fry again for 10 minutes. Then I introduce the fish we fried earlier. After introducing the fish, I will stir together to combine taste and adjust with any lacking ingredient that you think the stew might have. Right here, I introduce a little bit of crayfish. It's optional. If you don't like it, please do away with it. Then, and that's because I'm making fish stew, and that's the reason I added it. Okay, allow it to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, okay, till it dries up very well and the oil floating on top of the stew, you know that is ready. And here I adjusted with a bit of salt. I will then stir together, cover and allow it to cook like I said. And when I open up, you can see that the oil is floating here and the stew is ready. If you haven't subscribed up until this time, kindly do well to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified each time we post a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. Thank you for your share, for liking. Please give this video a thumbs up, okay? As usual, share the video to your friends and your well-wishers so they will see what we do with little or nothing. And the stew is ready. Pair with anything you want. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.